Okay, Excalibur Matrix 380. I'm shooting at 30 yards. I'm going to attempt to hit a fishing lure spinner. The spinner of the fishing lure. So I told my dad one time that I couldn't possibly hit a fishing lure hanging over the boat, and it happened to be his favorite fishing lure, and it was a pellet rifle. He said, "Don't do it, you'll hit it." I was like, "Oh, I couldn't hit that," and sure enough, I hit that sucker and it dropped in the water. And he was like, "Well, I be damned. That was my favorite lure, and that's the only one I got." So I'm going to see if my eyesight's got any worse. That's as far as I can zoom in right there. And you can just barely see the spinner to the outside of that bullseye there, as a matter of fact. But I'm going to try to nail that puppy. 30 yards. Well, I don't see it, so I'm going to take that as a yes. Back her up here. Walk down. See what we got. Okay, well, that's where it was at.